In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create smart previews in Lightroom Classic. If you're looking to optimize your workflow and edit photos more efficiently, then smart previews are definitely something you want to know about. Smart previews are smaller versions of your original photos, allowing you to edit them on the go without needing the full-sized files. This is especially handy when you're working remotely or on a device with limited storage space. Let's dive into the process. First things first, make sure you're in the Library module. This is the part of Lightroom Classic where you organize and manage photos. You can easily navigate to this module by clicking on the Library button located at the top right of the screen. Once you're there, it's time to select the photos or folders for which you want to create smart previews. If you're looking to manage files more effectively, you might prefer to work with entire folders rather than individual pictures. To do this, simply click on the folder in the folder panel on the left side of the screen. Alternatively, if you only want to create smart previews for specific photos in a folder, hold down the Control key on a Windows device or the Command key on a Mac while clicking on each photo you want to include. This will allow you to make multiple selections at once. Once you've made your selections, it's time to build the smart previews. To do this, go to the top menu bar and click on Library. From the drop-down list that appears, navigate to Previews and then select Build Smart Previews. This step is crucial, as it will instruct Lightroom to generate smart previews for the files you've selected. Upon doing this, Lightroom will start the process of generating smart previews for your chosen files. This might take a little time, depending on the number of files and your computer's processing power, but don't worry, it's usually pretty quick. While you wait, it might be helpful to understand what happens next. Once Lightroom has finished creating these smart previews, you can store your original photos on an external hard drive and still have the flexibility to edit the smart previews anywhere, even without access to those original files. This feature is a lifesaver for photographers who frequently travel or work from different locations. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you're now equipped to create smart previews in Lightroom Classic. Remember, using smart previews not only saves storage space, but also speeds up your editing process. It's a straightforward technique that can transform the way you manage your photo collections. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing with design and efficiency in mind.